everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shika Illustrator and it's time to level up your illustration. So in the previous session we learned how to paint skin as it is the basic and important part of fashion illustration. So we are starting with the skin rendering in Photoshop. इससे पहले we have done the series of Coral Draw and I must recommend if you are new to my channel then do watch my previous series of Coral Draw as that is also an important part of fashion illustration, especially when you work in an export house or in a manufacturing unit. As there's demand for digital illustration these days, so we need to take care of the illustrations to be done digitally, to learn digitally as well apart from hand illustration. So पहले हमने Coral Draw पे work किया, अब हम Photoshop कर रहे हैं and my previous video is on the skin painting on Photoshop. So Photoshop पे हम skin को कैसे render करें, कैसे paint करें. In that I have taught you guys three basic tools, three steps for how to just paint our skin, and that was to use the magic wand tool, to use the brush tool, and to use the burn tool. So these three were the tools that we have used to paint skin, and today I'll show the skin painting in different manner, like how to take different shades according to your skin color. आप अपने स्किन कलर के अकॉर्डिंग डिफरेंट डिफरेंट शेड्स कैसे पिक करो और सिर्फ उसी शेड्स को यूज करके आप अपना स्किन पेंटिंग कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द अनदर वे टू यू डू द स्किन पेंटिंग. डू वॉच माई होल वीडियो, डू नॉट स्किप इट बिकॉज आपके स्टेप्स मिस हो जाएंगे. सो या डू नॉट स्किप दिस. And if you are new then do subscribe my channel before watching my whole video. So first of all, let me just show you what we have done in the previous session. We did this skin rendering using three tools again. So yeah, this is the previous work. अगर आप लोगों ने नहीं देखा है then do watch my previous video. And now let us start the new one. For that, let me just close this and just hold on. So this is the JPG image or the croquis that we have to render. So the basic coloring is already done over here, and in the previous session I told you this magic wand tool which is used for the selection. Whatever part you want to render, just select that area, whatever, so that will be selected, or else you can use this magnetic laser tool. इससे भी we can do the selection, but we have to draw according to what shape or which area you want to select. तो वो हमें draw करना पड़ेगा and it becomes quite difficult sometimes. कुछ points हमारे रह जाते हैं, the space sometimes left behind. So yeah, magic wand tool is very nice and easier tool to handle. So starting from the face, so firstly just check it out the base coat color. This is the base coat color of the skin. So here we need to focus what else shade we can take for more colors, to add more colors. So selecting the face, base coat is this. So let's just pick up the darker tone, this much. And assume which part you want to show more dark or more light, whatever. So here, I have simply just taken a darker tone of the same base coat. और यहाँ पे हमें सबसे पहले सिलेक्शन करना होगा कि हमें स्किन का कौन सा पार्ट ज्यादा डार्क दिखाना है. अज्यूमिंग द लाइट फॉल, हमारी जो लाइट है वो सेंटर में फॉल हो रही है, राइट साइड ज्यादा फॉल है या लेफ्ट साइड ज्यादा फॉल है. सो फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल इफ वी सेज कि सेंटर पे लाइट ज्यादा फॉल हो रही है, तो हमें ध्यान रखना है center part को light रख के, keeping the center part light, we have to make the another two parts, right and left, darker. So right और left part पे हमें darkness दिखानी है, ज़्यादा shadows add करनी है और center part को light छोड़ना है. Or if we say that we are keeping the light source on the left side, अगर हम body के लेफ्ट साइड पे लाइट सोर्स दिखाते हैं, सो वी हैव टू कीप राइट पार्ट डार्क. अगर लेफ्ट लाइट है तो राइट डार्क. So this is how we need to assume basically. So if I says कि हमें left part light रखना है, वहां पे light fall ज्यादा है, so automatically the right part of the body will be appear darker. So here I'm taking the shade and zoom first of all, zoom, and taking this brush. Base coat color we already have, so I'm minimizing the radius and doing this much area dark. All right, because here the shadow on the face is falling, doing this. So you can see the left and the right part, there is a difference in the color. Why? Because this much area is more is having more shadow fall than the left one. So just finish it. अच्छे से हम इसमें finishing करेंगे ऐसे. Done. उसके बाद what we will do is, if you want to add more shadow, then simply just take the base coat color or take a darker shade and more shadow in the half of this. All right. Now, if you want simply to give detailings in the ear or giving the impression of nose, whatever. So if I give the impression of nose here, let me just, it's a bit side angle. It's not front view, it's bit of side. So let's just give this kind of texture, giving a bit here. Yeah. After that, taking this color again and simply applying over here. All right. This is enough. Now you can see the jaw lines that need to be appear dark. And so I'm adding a bit of color over here. And because here the jawline is enough dark, so take the burn tool and give the jaws for here as well. Make that dark too. Okay. So now there is a difference in the right and the left part of the face. And let's just do one thing, give the detailing on the nose area, show the hole and all right. The area here going to the eyes will appear dark and light. Okay. So if I'll do zoom out, let's see what will appear. But before that, let me add the finishing by reducing my radius of the skin, again darkening the holes and giving detailings on earlobes. Randomly, you can just simply make the lines. All right. So let's zoom out and see what we have done. Okay. So here it is clearly seen that the left part is full of light is falling over there, and the right part is full of shadow. Right part में बहुत shadow है और left में हमारा light fall है. So हम थोड़ा सा लाइट को यहाँ भी बैलेंस कर देते हैं. Okay, so this much is done. If you want to add the impression of lips or you want to give eyes, so that's totally up to you. Your call. Do according to your preference. So coming on to this area, that is this. Again, take the second tone. The second tone that we did is this of color and give detailing. So right side need to appear dark. We are giving a great dark tone over here. You can just increase the radius on the cleavage as well, the armpit and the elbow, hand. So whenever we are giving three shades, like the one part is totally dark and one part is totally light, so we will use three shades over there. So आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे base coat color है, then a medium dark tone and higher dark tone. उसके बाद we are managing the details by burn tool. So make sure कि आप तीन colors choose करो. यहाँ armpit पे dark कर देती हूँ मैं. And in the previous session, I told you how to do the skin rendering. You have to simply outline the skin part darker. Outlines को dark कर दो, आपका effect skin का खुद पे खुद आ जाएगा. So आप देख सकते हो right part में मैंने almost dark किया है color tone को. वहां पे मैंने base coat ही dark कर दिया है और left part में मैं बहुत कम area dark कर रही हूँ. So यहाँ पे हमारा tone में difference आ चुका है. अगर आप cleavage part भी देखोगे, so वहां पे the right one is very dark and the left is bit lighter. There are more light areas is visible. यहाँ पे ज्यादा light area visible है और यहाँ पे कम. So again, take the second tone, that is this, and start doing on the right area more. And properly any area shouldn't be missed. Make sure about it. मैं लेफ्ट में भी कर रही हूँ बट बहुत कम, जितना राइट में यूज किया उससे काफी कम. So yeah. So आप clearly देख सकते हो right part में there is more shadow appearing and the left there is very less shadow appearing. So what next we have to do is there are collarbones that we have missed. So वहां पे हम अच्छे से ये इफेक्ट दे देंगे, डार्क कर देंगे जितनी हमारी गिवन डिटेलिंग्स है. और या बिलो द नेक, never forget to add shadow below the neck area. That's very important part. Now take the burn tool again and let's just start giving the detailing, especially below the neck. As I told you, there's more and more shadow, dark shadow appearing over there. That shouldn't be missed. So because right part हमारी ज्यादा डार्क है तो हमें वहां पे इस कोट को ज्यादा करना है और लेफ्ट में कम. So जैसे यहाँ पे नेक के पास और कॉलर बोन के पास हमारी डेप्थ गिवन है, हम वो डार्क कर देंगे. देन और लेफ्ट पार्ट में भी डेप्थ है बट हम उसे कम डार्क करेंगे. यू कैन सी मैंने बहुत कम एरिया पे डार्क किया और राइट में हमने ज्यादा डार्क किया है. सिमिलरली dark this area, this much area of the arms, the shoulder to hand. Here should be a joint area here where the elbow is falling. Now minimize this to give proper finishing, like the elbow thing, the collarbone thing. We need to make it dark. I've always told you, if you are adding detailings like your joint area, you are giving the joint, the armpit area, the elbow, whatever. So that should be done with minimum radius. So this is the wrist area. Let's just do the wrist. Let's simply give the lines for the fingers as well. Okay, so okay, so minimize again and just give a finishing. Give that depth, and here show that depth. Similarly, show depth over here. Add this color. Perfect. Similarly, the collarbone over here. The cleavage part need to be done nicely, and you can see one area of the cleavage is darker, another is very light. Why? This is the thing that reflects the light and dark part. So do it carefully, do not miss that. So you can also check the detailing of the shoulder bone here and here. One is more dark and one is lighter. So this is what represent the light fall. यही चीज हमारे लाइट फॉल को डिपिक्ट कर रही है कि हाँ एक जगह हमारा लाइट फॉल ज्यादा है और एक कम. So armpit area need to be done nicely. Elbows, the joint area. Again, we will outline it dark. Wrist. So decrease the radius and give the finger impressions as well. Increase the radius and okay, making it dark still here. So if we simply zoom out and let's see what we have done till now. This. So here it is clearly visible. The right part is dark and the left is bit light. So again, let's zoom, and also I want to show or reflect some shine in that. So where you have selected the burn tool, there is another option of dodge tool. What dodge do is, if we apply it on a certain area, the area will become light. So if you want to add shine, you can simply apply dodge. So I'm increasing bit of radius over here, and will do that on the especially collarbone area or in here bit in the middle. To make the body look smooth and shiny. So it's totally optional. Done. So for me, this much is enough. Coming on to the belly section, yeah. So my bellies, I need, first of all, take the second shade, make the right part appear dark fully, and the left very less. After that, what we need to do is take the second shade, that is this one, take the burn tool and make it dark, more dark, the right part. And the left, in the left, what we will do is reduce the radius, and you can see this joint, we will make it dark to give that proper effect of, you know, that the body is moving and the skin has become quite congested over there, like that. So we take this shade again and let's just put it here. All right, and again, if we take this shade and give a bit of touch, that's it. So now what we are going to do next is take the burn tool and start giving finishing to the belly. So to show a lot of shadow and darkness over this area as the body is moving and the skin is getting congested, I will give finishing with the burn tool. So yeah, so you can see a proper shade that is falling from top to bottom, and merge it with a wider brush, wider radius, enough. All right. So sometimes what happen is the shade becomes very dark. So how to just uh, uh, manage it? How to just manipulate it? Increase the radius and apply on an area wherever you want to reduce down the darkness. So apply over there. But here we don't want much thing. So let's increase the radius again and put this on dark. Yeah, this much is good. Now show the navel point or whatever texture you want. So I'm giving a bit of tummy shape and make it straight to here. Similarly here. Then simply make the shape too low and give the navel point. And perfect. This is looking damn hot and good. So reduce the zoom and let's see, the effect of tummy is very nice. So if you want to lower down the darkness, take the base coat color and give on that. And if you want to just decrease a certain area darkness, so let's apply on that, or else if you want to remove it, simply just apply on that. It's optional, I'm just telling you how to manipulate. So for me this is looking damn good and hot. So yeah, again let's work on the leg area with the same technique. The tummy is totally done. So if I just come on the leg area, we need to apply the same thing, two shades. Number one, this, the lighter shade. So the lighter shade, I want to apply less. The technique will be run same. The left part should be less dark and the right one should be more dark. So we need to take care of it. So I'll do the darkness in the left leg only in the outline. That's it. So the outline is done darker. And let's complete this leg first. Take the burn tool, make the outlines dark. Wherever there is a joint, so you need to do that with more extra care. So here is a joint. So let's just do that with the burn tool. Appear it dark and yellow. Outline it perfectly with this. You can see a lot of lighter part in the skin area because this is the left leg and left leg में हमने ज़्यादा light fall दिखाया है. Similarly, यहाँ पे decrease the diameter and just give this depth kind of thing. So हम यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी depth दिखाना चाहेंगे. Make it dark. So proper effect is coming right now. You can see the leg is, the light fall is clearly visible. The shade from the thigh, the depth, the knee effect, everything is just perfect over here. We don't need to touch it more. So coming on to the left leg. So here the darkness will be more because it is in behind the first leg. So yeah, taking the second shade and simply just making the base coat dark. Base coat को अच्छे से हम dark कर देंगे. बहुत थोड़ा एरिया हमारा लाइट में होगा. इतना बहुत है. Done. After that, taking the second darker shade, you can pick it from here, this one, and of course from the thighs the first leg is overlapping another, the back one. So यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा हमारा shadow fall होने वाला है. इसको हम अच्छे से डार्क कर लेंगे. Done. Now taking the burn tool and firstly mark the joint, the knee over here. Simply increase the diameter. यहाँ पे हमें we need to show the depth carefully. This line should be very dark because एक leg दूसरे leg को overlap कर रहा है. वहां पे बहुत ज्यादा shadow fall है. उस fall को दिखाने के लिए, उस overlapping को दिखाने के लिए we need to do it with very dark shade. So यहाँ पे हम ज्यादा dark कर रहे हैं than the first one. So now this is done and let's just zoom out and see. You can clearly see the right part of the whole body is more dark than the left one. Also, I should suggest that I should do the base coat more dark over there in this area. So if I take the burn tool, and I would recommend to simply do it dark on the more area. All right. So now this is totally done. And if you want to manipulate the light and darkness, if you simply want to just lower down the darkness, apply on that area and take the brush tool, increase the diameter and apply. That will gonna lower down. But for me, this is simply perfect. So here you need to focus on three tools again, that is the magic band tool and brush tool and burn tool. For the brush tool, we have taken three shades. Why we have taken those three shades? Because there we are showing one part very light and another part very dark. एक पार्ट हम बहुत ज्यादा डार्क रख रहे हैं और एक बहुत लाइट. सो उसके लिए हमने तीन शेड्स का यूज किया है. वन जो बेस कोट वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन, second a bit darker tone, and third a lot darker tone. So बहुत high dark tone हमें वो लेना है. उसके बाद with the burn tool we have given effects of joints, the shadow, the that is appearing very dark, the collarbone or whatever bone joints etc you are going to give in the body. So for that we have used the burn tool. So ये concept हमें clear रखना है for the skin rendering. And try this. If you want to suggest any topic for the tutorial for the next video, you can just simply comment in the comment section whatever suggestions you want to give me or whatever your reviews are. I really want to know that, so do comment. And I would be glad if you subscribe and like and share my video. Thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting and namaste.